Dear student, as I continue to syllabus, today I am explaining in GK chapter number 14 Ports Ashore. Ports Ashore. What is port? What is ports? You know, as station, bus station and railway station, as you know. So for railway station, for trains, for bus station, for buses, roadways buses. So dear student, ports are the place where exporting and importing work are done at the side of seashore, in the oceans, in the seas. The government develops ports because ports are necessary items. Developing of ports, it shows the level of country, progress of country and develop of country. So it is very necessary work for the government that developing of ports. So in the worldwide there are many varieties of many types of ports. Some ports are natural and some are man-made. So dear students, you know harbor. Harbor is also port, but it is natural, and ports that is man-made. So there is difference between harbor and port. Both are same thing. In both places, the ships carry the loads, carry the different items, goods, and the people export and import by the ports. But harbor is the same station of the ships, of the ships fleet. So it is natural, not man-made. Naturally it is made the side of seashore, but ports, it is developed phase of the harbor. Means it is developed by the human beings, by the government. So port is developed by the government or developed by the human beings for their benefit. So the chapter reveals ports ashore, as it is given the different types of questions, as use the statements as clues to identify the famous ports in the world. First question, first statement is given as you should have to write the name of the port. The port in Dubai that is largest and busiest of all ports in the Middle East. So you think about port in Dubai. So port in Dubai, the name of the port. So first answer will be ports of Jebel Ali. Ports of Jebel Ali is the port, name of port that is located in Dubai, and the exporting and importing works are done from here. It is located at the Middle East. Second question, the port in Morocco that is the most important in Africa and the largest artificial port in the world. Largest artificial means man-made, well developed. So it is located in Morocco, and what is the name? Casablanca port, that is located in Morocco. For the second answer will be Casablanca port. Question number third, the port located in the Arabian Sea, also called the Queen of Arabian Sea. So Queen of Arabian Sea. So it is port of Kochi. Port of Kochi. Kochi. It is located in the South India, in Kerala. Question 4. The port that is largest container port and a major industrial and commercial center of China. It is very important port of China, Shanghai port. So for fourth answer, fill in the blank, Shanghai port. Shanghai port, it is very huge port and the major port as for the industrial and commercial views. Question number 5, statement number 5 given. The port town in Kerala that is referred to as the Venice of the East. Venice of the East means the port name is Alippe port. Alippe port, it is located in Kerala and it is known as Venice of the East. Question number 6. The port is located between Kolkata and Chennai on the shores of Bay of Bengal and also formed as a shipbuilding center. So shipbuilding center also, this type of work is doing here. So it is Visakhapatnam port. Question number 6. For the statement number 6, the fill in the blanks that where the some shipbuilding works also there and a shipbuilding center, Visakhapatnam port. Visakhapatnam port. It is located in Andhra Pradesh, near to seashore. Question number 7. The largest port in Europe that is connected by a canal to the North Sea. So, the largest port in Europe that is connected by a canal to the North Sea. Canal to the North Sea. And located in Europe. It is Port of Rotterdam. Port of Rotterdam. Port of Rotterdam connects a canal to North Sea. Last question. As the last statement, the port located on the bank of River Thames. What is the name of port that is located on the bank of the River Thames? Sometimes it is also called Thames River. So it is London port. London port, it is located on the river bank Thames. Okay. You write the all answer of the questions of chapter number 14 according to syllabus for periodic test first, and you do in your clear copy and learn this chapter. Okay. For today's class, thank you.